Lake Argyle. Time for a beer and dinner. Probably can't see me. We'll see you tomorrow. Kirk's about getting here at 7 AM at opening time. Whew. Charlotte, come to the edge here for me. Whew. It's okay, it's cold for me too, Noah. Alright. Okay, ready? The camera. Here we are, Lake Argyle, barbecue boat, something that I've always wanted to do. How cool is this? Let's go! Few beers. Let's get the tunes on. We're gonna do jump rock later. The 2 moorings are full at the moment, so we'll check out some crocodiles. Jump rock, Lake Argyle. Let's go! Jump, Charlotte?
Yeah!
Little jump?
Yeah!
You can just jump where Layla did. Yoo! Charlotte, go, go Layla! Yoo! Go Charlotte! Charlotte, I'm right here, jump to me.
Go, Harlow. Harlow, I'm here for you, go.
See? I'm right here. Charlotte, Charlotte, I'm right here.
Again!
Well then go. Noah's doing a bit of fishing because he can't jump in, poor bloke.
They really need like a border.
I love your sausage.
Thank you.
Look at that, sun coming over the hills. Oh, how good. Oh, this is bloody as. Oh, wow. What a crew. What a location. Far north, Western Australia. We cross the border in the next couple of days to NT, Lake Argyle, get here. Get the barbecue boat, so well priced. Oh. Woo. Go Lennox! Charlotte, go, go, go! Good girl! Oh, careful.
Everyone's jumping to each other.
Down the back. What a marvel. Actually, bloody good. What a way to end an epic 3 weeks with an epic crew. Probably said that a few times in this video. Happy birthday, Robbo. Out here?
Yeah.
He's made this little home all in there. See, that's his little house that he's made with all those sticks. You got babies in there? Alrighty, just visited Lake Argyle Museum, a little bit of history about the Durax. And didn't know that he travelled all the way from Queensland to here, Lake Argyle, with all the head of cattle. Well, they got people to do it. They were very wealthy back in the day. But yeah, pretty cool. Learning a little bit of stuff. If you didn't know, their old homestead is still at the bottom of Lake Argyle. when it all flooded in the 70s. Anyway, we're going to go check out this spillway, maybe put our feet in. Here we are, little spillway. There's some little like pools over there. Rightio, nice little swim. Back to the caravan park now for some lunch. I just chucked the drone up, so I'll show you that footage now.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought.
How cool is this? We're at the lower half, or the top half of the Ord now. Wow, look at that pressure. That is impressive. Stay away from the water, okay?
Why?
Because there could be crocodiles. Now, from what I understand, there could be crocodiles on this part of the river. Not just freshies, maybe. I think. If you're watching this now, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, no, I believe that there could be possible crocodiles, salt water crocodiles. All right, so yeah, heading to Panican Bay Sunset Lookout now. It's a 4-drive track, and hope to go there. We've got some dinner, chill out there, a couple of beers with our mates, Tiff and Andrew.
Which is the Lost FJ.
The Lost FJ, and then back home, pack up tomorrow morning and then head into Kununurra. Alrighty, last night here at Lake Argyle, as I just probably mentioned, maybe, anyway, can hear it again. Enjoy a nice beer. Got hold of Gage Road's single fin. It's like, if you haven't had one, it's one of my favourites. But yeah, sunset's behind us here. Just gonna watch the colours. Alright, I'll send the drone up, do some footage for you. See what we can see, maybe a crocodile would be cool. But yeah, chuck some music on, enjoy.
All alone, I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for the lost.
Jesse did some pre-nachos before we came. Enjoying that. That reflection's gone now. I don't know if I caught it on the GoPro, so I hope you enjoyed it on the drone. But pretty magic spot. Definitely would be back here. Be cool with a tinny to go like further down, or even launch at the Ord River there that we showed you just before, and head in that way. That would be pretty cool. Well, we'll probably wrap up Lake Argyle now. They were doing a deal, stay 3, pay for 3 and stay for 4, but we didn't get it on it, unfortunately. So make sure you always check the deals on the Discovery website. It is about $100 a night, but I think it's worth it. The pool is amazing. Pretty cool little bar. The food was okay, but yeah, it's just, look at this, just to see this kind of place and enjoy. But yeah, I always I'll put all the details in the description of the prices we paid and everything, so you know. or we've always got really detailed posts on Instagram. But yeah, we'll leave Lake Argyle now, watch this sunset, a few tins, let's go.
And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious